Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the Oculus Quest 2. I was in the market for a Quest and I was going to originally pick up the original Quest, but I heard rumors that the Quest 2 was in production. So I'm glad that I waited. I pre-ordered this on Amazon and it came in yesterday. Inside the box we have a VR headset, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, a glasses spacer, which I will be using because I wear glasses, and a charging cable. On the bottom of the box, there is some disclaimer text, as well as an energy verified certification. On the back of the box, we have some cover art to some games that are available on the platform. Touting next level hardware, this is running the specific Snapdragon processor made specifically for AR and VR, easy setup, and it's backwards compatible with any Oculus Quest title. Now, I don't know about you, but I am ready to unbox this. Luckily, you do not need a box cutter to unwrap this because it comes with a handy pull tab to unwrap. I picked up the 256GB version because in this case, more is better. More room to store those amazing VR titles. Opening the box, you are greeted with the headset and the controllers. And on the top, a handy-dandy little quick start guide. Inside this smaller box, you'll see the Oculus logo once again. Within the smaller box, there is a reference guide and an Oculus Quest 2 safety and warranty guide. We have the power adapter, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging the device. Pulling out the device, I'm now noticing that this is actually a very light gray. Most videos that I've seen of this device, it seems to be very white, but I hope that my video shows that this is actually a very light gray. There's fabric on the side here, and a little plastic wrapping that I will pull off now. On the bottom, we have a volume up and volume down rocker. On the side, we have the USB-C port and a headphone jack. Inside the visor, we are greeted with a small guide on how to adjust the lenses. This model now comes with a stretch-like fabric strap similar to the one seen on the Oculus Go. Inside the visor, you can see the lenses that are now adjustable from left to right in 3 different positions. We have the glasses spacer for those who wear glasses, as I do. And last but not least, we have the controllers. On the right controller, we have the trigger and grip button, as well as the right analog stick, the B and A buttons, a thumb rest which has a slight texture to it, and the Oculus home button. On the left, we have the X and Y button, left analog stick, menu button, thumb rest, as well as a trigger and grip button. And that's it. That's my unboxing of the Oculus Quest 2. I'm super excited to try this out, see how it performs, see how good it is as a standalone VR headset, and as well as tethered to a laptop/PC for PC-specific VR gaming. If you liked the video, please drop a like down below. And if you like my content and would like to see more, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of when my next video drops. Thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day. Bye.